This is so steep. I'm not going to tell on the camera, but man, is this steep. Look at it. Wow. That is mega steep. I'm still going. Be out here. Is it? There it is, it's up there. Can I leave the bike here? So this is take 3. The battery ran out just as I was going to show you the StarDisc. So in the disc there are all these engravings. That's Aquarius, Eculeus, the Colt, Venus, Delphinus. And look where it is. It's in this amazing scenery. So today we're just going to have a bit of a trek around the Peak District. So I'll walk up here. God, this is muddy. Yeah, I just wanted to come out and have a bit of a ride around. It's a beautiful day to be alive. It's a bit windy, windier than anticipated. Oh wow, it's a big quarry. And that's the disc. So I don't know whether you saw my last video of Lincoln Cathedral. There was a bit in it where I said there was like a ghostly orb. I'm not a believer in ghosts, don't get me wrong, but it starts at 12:06, 12 minutes 6 seconds in the video. There's like an orb that comes down from, as you're looking at it on the screen, it'll come down from the top top left hand side window, and it comes down and crosses the screen and goes out of the door. It's really spooky. I only noticed it when I was looking back at the video. Have a look at it. I'm not sure whether it'll come out because of the compression of YouTube. I tried posting it to my Twitter, but it compresses it so much you just can't see anything. But yeah, it is. There's a definite something that moves across the screen. I thought it could be dust, but really when I looked at the whole sequence of me being in that side chapel, and there was absolutely nothing. There was no dust motes in the air, nothing at all. And then this one thing, and it was large as well compared to what dust would look like. It was quite large. I've never seen anything like it before, and I know it sounds a bit like ghost hunters or something like that. It's like I say, I'm not a believer in ghosts and the supernatural, but it was definitely something that I saw. Have a look, see what you think. 12:06 in Who Put the Moon Inside Lincoln Cathedral. And let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about that video as well. I tried to do it a bit of justice and show a bit of respect being inside the church, and I'm not religious either. I just wanted to show a little bit of respect for being in there. Let me know what you think. So that was StarDisc. So I'm presuming this is going to bring us back down into Wirksworth at some point. The sun is bright. It's just lovely. Riding in the sunshine, even though the roads are still wet. Look at these lovely little streets. Oh, was this the hill that we went up? I think it was, you know. So this is where I was standing on duty for the Wild Bad weekend, when everybody was coming down this hill here, and I was directing them. God, it rained so hard. I will be going to the Wild Bad weekender this year. Makes you feel glad to be alive, doesn't it? I wish I could do this every day. My visor needs a bit of a clean. It's a bit grubby. And we're descending into... Oh God, I made that worse. Well done. Well done me. Top points for that. Oh, I think this is Viagelia. It's filthy horrible. I'm not a mad keen fan of this road, I have to say. It's cold today, guys. It's cold. Oh, I needed to go up there. Bollocks. I need to turn around. We're just coming up on that junction now. Here. Really muddy corner as well. Technically quite challenging. Well, like I said in the last video, let me know what you think of the intro that I've stuck on my channel now for my videos. Let me know what you think of it. Do you like it? Is it cheesy having an intro? See, it's like I said, I've never thought of using an intro because I've never thought of myself as being that successful, but people are telling me that I am quite successful as a YouTuber. I still don't think I am, to be honest. Approaching 1700 subscribers, which it's not bad. It's not bad. It's more than I thought I'd get to. Oh, that was what I meant to tell you actually. When I made the cathedral video, the moon in the cathedral, when I was standing outside, I was trying to clip my 360 camera. Well, I had already clipped my 360 camera to my rucksack, so it was safe. It was safe clipped to my rucksack. My rucksack was on the seat of the bike, safe. For some reason, the SD card had reverted. It wasn't exFAT anymore, so I was just, the camera wouldn't record, obviously, because it was saying it didn't have a compatible SD. So I was in the process of changing that, and there was a massive gust of wind, and it took my bag off the seat. Really fast it happened as well. It just gusted and took the bag off the seat, and it landed face down on the camera, on the cobbles.
so it's just completely wrecked the lens again. So again, my 360 camera is trashed. I can't use it. I mean, how much bad luck can one person have with a 360 camera, really? Still, you know, I'm not sending it for repair again. Sod it. I just can't be bothered. I'll only end up trashing it again. And let's face it, the last time I had a lens repair, that was 140 quid. So, sod it. It's just dead to me. Bugger. I'm sure they take great delight when they go past you, when they look in their mirror and there's just a curtain of dirty water. I'm sure they take great delight in knowing that you've got to ride through it. ND filter on you today, so how does that look? I'll have to swap it if these clouds come over. Now, is the CarPlay going to kick in at this point, or do I have to reboot the CarPlay? Oh, look at that, it works. Sun's come out again now, although I think it's going to be sunshine and cloud for a while. So yeah, I think that's going to be my next purchase. It's going to be a new laminated suit, but I don't know which one to go for. I think it's either going to be Røde or Richa. I just cannot afford the expensive one. Who's that one made by? Tell me. See, I think I'm going to go for Røde. This Richa one's okay, but I might have a bit of a change. Go for the Røde one. So next stop is Buxton. Well, I'm not stopping, I'm passing through. So we're going Buxton and then Macclesfield, and then from Macclesfield we're going to come back up the Cat and Fiddle. Where's that taking me then? High Peak Meadow. good. I'm glad we're off that road because I don't like that road. Definitely snow on them there hills. I think this could be taking us up that road there. Viaduct. Presuming it's a viaduct and not an aqueduct. Yeah, it's a viaduct. 6 degrees the temperature still. It's not getting any warmer. In fact, it's got cooler because it was 7 degrees earlier. I'm not actually cold. I did put the liner back in my jacket because I was worried that it might be a bit chill today. Oh, I know where I am. I know where I am. This is the A6. Wow, looks like that tree came down in the storms. Goyt Valley, just wow.